how you can restart your iPhone. Now, the latest iPhone iOS 18 version is out and you will be able to use it, and there are a lot of features, and today I will teach you guys how you can force restart your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So to restart your iPhone, what you'll need to do is you'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button. Here you can see it's right here on your iPhone, and press and quickly release the volume down button. And after you do that, just press and hold the side button. After you hold the side button, just hold it till the Apple logo appears, and when it does, release the side button and your phone will restart. And after doing that, your phone will force restart and you're good to go. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.